All right, today I want to introduce to you some new parts sold at Hunterworks, not necessarily by Hunterworks, and that is this particular video is going to be about Defender secondary clutches. We'll have them for the HD8s, 9s, and 10s. We're going to offer them in two versions, an empty and a complete. What is an empty? An empty is minus helix and spring, and then complete. At some point down the road, which is our next deal, is the primary clutches, and then after that we'll do what we call here at Hunterworks a Hunterworks Start Fresh system, which means a primary, secondary, and the tuning components, so if you need everything. But today is just talking about introducing us selling secondary clutches. We're going to have the two styles to cover all three of those Defender models I just mentioned. There is a proper name. We like to make it simple and call them two roller and three roller. So the two roller style, it is an OEM clutch. The clutch itself is OEM. The helix is not. This is actually a better made helix. This is a machine helix versus a cast. And then on this two roller style, it comes standard with Hunterworks rollers because the OE rollers failed a lot in this clutch. So even if you get the empty version, you're still going to get our rollers, just no helix and spring. Okay, the three roller style, which is in the newer Defenders, HD10s and 9s, same thing. Can-Am secondary clutch with the machined helix, a stock spring, and this one comes standard with Can-Am rollers in it. Why? Because they're not that bad at all in this particular clutch. When you have three rollers, you spread the load. However, there have been some failures at times, and we offer rollers. That roller option on that clutch is $140. That's actually more than you can buy the rollers for on our website, but you got to pay us to put them in, and they're just expensive rollers. So we make that an option for it. Now these, like I said, are OEM secondary clutches. Your options out there are this. There are billet clutches available. They're very expensive. I've never been a fan. There's no proof that lasts any longer than anything else. And then the next option for you is going to be Chinese clutches. All aftermarket cast aluminum clutches are made in China. Just remember that, all. So that leaves OE clutches. What's the negative with OE clutch? Well, there's two. One, price. And two, you cannot buy an assembly. You cannot buy a complete clutch from Can-Am. You can only buy parts and then you put it together. So for a lot of people, that's an intimidating task to know what parts to buy, and it really is, because it took us about 3 months on all these vehicles we've been working on to try to get all the right parts. And so we have them here, we assemble them whichever way you want. Next for us is going to be the primary clutch from Can-Am, all the parts bought and assembled. That'll be next, and then after that we will do what we call a Hunterworks Start Fresh system, meaning I need everything. I need a primary, secondary, hopefully Hunterworks belt, and we'll have that available. So we're working through this. I don't think we will ever get into making our own clutches for these models. So in my opinion, and this is a term I've used over the years, is this is the best available today. Why do I say that? Never know what we might get into, but in our opinion, this is the best available today. And do not forget, if you're buying one, try out one of Hunterworks' belts for these. I just got a report from a customer just the other day. He's let me know. He said, I want to let you know. He said, I got your belt on. I think his was an X3 though, but X3 and Defender here use the same belt. And he said, it is the only belt I can actually keep on my X3. I was unable to keep an OE belt on it, and I love it. And of course, we've had other reports being tested on 300 horsepower machine that lasted the longest too. So just keep the belt in mind as well. If you got any questions on this, let me know. We'll put links to the clutches down in the description. Make sure you subscribe and like so you know that when we get those primary clutches and Start Freshes out for these vehicles as well. We appreciate you very much.